question is, will we ever achieve $15 an hour as a national minimum wage? A lot of politicians are espousing that as a much needed solution to income inequality. And I totally agree that we definitely do need a higher minimum wage. Are we going to actually achieve $15 an hour on a national level? No. And so many of those politicians are selling us wishful thinking, so to speak. As we approach $15 an hour, what would naturally happen is this automation would begin to take place faster than it already is going to be. So that's the reality of it. So when you see individuals protesting for $15 an hour at fast food places, I applaud them. I understand why they would do that. However, it is totally unrealistic that we will have $15 an hour for a minimum wage on a national level. Now, there are some cities that can handle it, and so you've seen that, I think, in Seattle, and I'm sure in New York City and California. I'm sure they do have cities, and maybe even the whole state is $15 an hour, but will we see it on a national level? No. So do recognize that. I'm not telling you not to vote for people who are pushing that, but do know that that is not going to happen due to the rise in automation. Automation will happen, and so it is important that we begin to start to take notice of that, encourage our legislators to start talking about what does that look like now. Now that we're going to be living in a time of great automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, being able to replace a lot of the work that we do, how do we continue to survive? If you don't start posing those questions, then we will be in a reactionary stage. These are things that should not catch us off guard. So I encourage you, definitely get out there and vote, but definitely also start investigating how you can make additional income, because that will definitely be the case, that you will work and probably have a side hustle.